Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Nissan Altima, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your battery in this car. It's a very simple procedure, everyone can do this. Save yourself some money and do it yourself. Okay, pull the latch. Let's get to the hood. Move the latch to the left, raise the hood up, secure it with the stand. There's a hole right here. Good. Okay, so to get our battery out, what we're gonna need? We're gonna need a 10mm ratchet, 10mm socket with the ratchet, so we can remove 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts. We're gonna remove this nut here. Okay, so I got this nut out, this bolt, and I got this nut out. Okay, this one, I just took it up from here. That's it. Now what we're gonna do, and I loosened this a little bit, so I just have wiggle here. Now I'm gonna loosen this nut here and this nut right here. Okay, so we have it's also 10mm and this is 10mm. So we're gonna loosen them. So far we could actually move terminals. Okay, so I loosened this nut and now the terminal moves and we get it out. Get it out, put it somewhere here, hide it so it doesn't get on our way. Okay, positive terminal. Take also same way, just take it off. Just set it aside. Okay, next step, get out this nut, just unscrew it from here, and after that just remove this bracket. Okay, so don't lose any of your nuts. That's it, our battery is now movable, and just get it out, take it out. Okay, so once you get the old battery out, it's time to get a new battery. Just take your old battery to the parts store, and but make sure they give you the same size, width, length, and the terminals, remember where they are. Okay, and you have to get the same size and same terminal type battery. Okay, so once they give you the new battery, give them the old battery back, and they will give you some money, some port charge for it. Once you have the new battery, just same way, take it and put it back in. Once you have the new battery in, just do the exact same reverse procedure. Put the bracket on, this. Sometimes you have to wiggle the battery and move it. Okay, this is good, this is good. Okay, so now put back these two nuts, this one and the bolt inside. Okay guys, and yeah, so I did tighten up these two nuts and this bolt. Now be careful, don't make sure you don't interchange this thing with anything. This is a positive battery terminal. Make sure it doesn't touch with any other metal parts. Okay, so for example, if you're screwing this screw here, make sure you don't touch with the metal and it's gonna connect and you'll see fireworks, so be careful about that. Okay, just take the positive terminal back, put it back on, negative terminal, put it back on. Okay, you can actually just sometimes see some sparking. It's fine. Okay, just like this, put it back in. Okay, once you have them on, just tighten up. So we tighten up this nut here and this nut here, and you are all set. Okay guys, so this is it. This is a simple procedure. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.